Hi.
Hi.
Oh, do you have milk?
Oh no, I don't have milk.
Bye.
Bye.
Animals for sale. Animals for sale.
Huh? Hi.
Hi.
Do you have milk?
Milk?
Yes, I need it for selling in my market.
I don't have milk, but I have a cow. She will produce milk for you.
Here you go.
Bye.
This cow is heavy.
Car for sale! Car for sale!
Huh? How much?
$40!
Here you go.
Thank you!
Wow! Cow, where's the milk?
First, I need to eat if you want me to give you milk.
Eat? Awesome! Are you full?
Now I need to take a nap.
Okay, take a nap. Ah! Wow, milk for sale.
I like milk. How much?
$5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I also need a dozen eggs.
I don't have any eggs.
Bye.
Bye. I need to go to the farm.
Hi.
Do you have eggs?
I'm sorry I don't have eggs, but I have beautiful chicken.
Wow. How much?
$20.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bye. Where are the eggs, guys? Wow, eggs! Hi.
Bye.
What can you give me?
I can give you wool.
Wool? I want this sheep.
$40.
Here you go. Wow, wool for sailing. Wow! Hi. Hi.
Wow, you have wool?
Yes, it's organic.
How much?
$10 per pound.
Here you go.
Thank you. What else can I sell? I'll go to the farm. Hi.
Hi.
Wow, this one is cute. How much is it?
Oh, that one's $80.
Huh, that's a little pricey, but I'll take it.
Bye.
What can you give me?
Huh?
Yeah, what do you have? Ham, bacon, or cheese?
I'm a dog. I'm a human's best friend.
My best friend?
Yeah, I can play with you.
Huh?